My name is Jenna Thompson, and I'm singing Payphone by Maroon 5. I hope you like it. I'm at payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Well, the plans we made for two. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? All the time that you wasted, all of our bridges run down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunsets in paradise, I'm at the phone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now, wait. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, and you just gave it away. Can't expect you to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunsets in paradise, I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Well, the plans we made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Bye.